Hello Slaters, welcome back to video interaction session part 1 on fiber to fabric. In the video session 1 and 2 of fiber to fabric, you have learnt about the following topics. Why do we need clothes? What is fiber and fabric? Variety of fabrics, kinds of fibers, about cotton fiber in detail, definition of spinning, knitting and weaving. Today, let us have an interactive class and discuss a few questions. First question, what is a fiber? Fiber is a long and thin tube-like structure found in plants and animals. To know about fiber, let's do an activity. Take out a yarn from the edge of cotton or woolen fabric. Place the yarn along the edge of the table. Hold one end of the yarn with your left hand. Scratch the other end of the yarn along its length with your thumbnail. You will notice that yarn splits into thin strands or filaments. These thin strands or filaments are called fiber or fibers. Second question, what is a yarn? Let's do an activity to know about yarn. Take a cotton fabric. With the help of a common pin or a needle, pull out a few threads from one of its edges. These threads are commonly called yarn. Okay, Slaters? Let's go to next question. Third question. Name some plant and animal fibers. Examples for plant fibers are cotton, jute, flax, hemp, coconut, etc. Examples for animal fibers are wool and silk. Fourth question. What are synthetic fibers? Give examples. The fibers obtained from petrochemicals are called synthetic fibers. They are man-made. Examples: nylon, terylene, polyester, rayon, etc. Fifth question. What are the differences between synthetic and natural fibers? Natural fiber. It is obtained from nature. It is comfortable to wear. It is environmental friendly. Fiber structure cannot be changed. It is expensive. Synthetic fibers. It is man-made. Chemicals are used. Fiber structure can be changed. It is not as comfortable as natural fibers. Some fabrics are not environment friendly. It is cheap and durable. Sixth question. Why is it necessary to spin the fibers in order to make yarn? It is necessary to spin the fiber because when fibers are spun, they become coherent, that is, sticking together, thus forming the yarn. To learn more about this, we will do an activity. Hold some cotton in your right hand. Pinch it between the thumb and the forefinger of the left hand and gently pull outward, twisting in clockwise direction till you get a wick. Divide the wick into two parts. Keep one part of the wick as it is. Twist the other part of the wick as much as you can so as to make a thread. Hold the first part of the wick from both ends and then try to pull it apart. Repeat the procedure with twisted thread. You will notice that twisted thread requires more force to break compared to the untwisted wick. Thus, the activity clearly proves that twisting increases the strength of the fiber and forms into yarn. Seventh question. What are the two ways of making fabric from yarn? The two ways of making fabric from yarn are weaving and knitting. Eighth question. What did people in ancient times use to cover their body? People in ancient times covered their bodies with big leaves, bark of the trees or animal skins to keep themselves warm. Okay, Slaters? Home assignment for you. First question. How are synthetic fibers more advantageous and economical than natural fibers? Second question. Which process is carried out on looms? Third question. Write two characteristic properties of cotton. Fourth question. Can you name some states of our country where cotton is grown? Okay, Slaters, that's all for today. We'll meet you all in another session. Until then, take care. Bye.